in the bounce today. Today I'm bouncing vocals, bouncing this track. It's like a hip hop kind of country track, done on Fiverr as a freelancer. That's what I do. So how we had to bounce a track in Logic Pro, first of all, is you want to go to File, you want to go to Bounce, you go to Project or Section. Okay, what I like to do is I like to bounce it as both MP3 and also a WAV file. Okay, when it comes to WAV, it's got to be 24-bit, and as a WAV. You can also bounce it as an AIFF, but I always do it as a WAV. MP3, it must be on 320 kilobytes per second, as that's the highest resolution that it can be. And I also like to bounce it on real time. This means that the song's going to play through the whole song whilst bouncing. This gives me an idea, and I get to hear any last minute errors in the track that I've missed out. And if I hear anything I don't like, I hit control and full stop down here next to the space button, and it cancels the bounce. I make the change, and then I come back out and I do it. So this just gives you a last minute attempt to make sure that your song is free from errors. Then you go ahead and click OK, and then you just find this file that you're saving it to, and this is the file that we're saving it to. Hit bounce, and let's hear it. I'm on the vocals, on the chorus. It was written by Dewy McGill. He gave me a reference, and I sang it like this. Let's go.
You just know me, so you're getting me high. I was lonely till you entered my life. Let me tell you how I really feel. Hope I'm with you till the day that I die. You just know me, so you're getting me high. You're the only one I had to go make you my wife. Let me tell you how I really feel. Know I love you till the day that I die.
Still remember the first time I laid my eyes on you. There would never be no other woman, that is true.
This is Dewy.
Saw a vision, wife and kids was in my future. No regrets, only wish we did it sooner. Now we built our home to watch our children grow. Built a nest, so no stresses from the debts we owe. Choosing schools, value education for our girls. And when it's time to teach them culture, travel around the world. Business class jet, lock the door when having sex. Family means everything, when I'm with you I can't forget. I'll do the dishes if you can be the chef. I will always love you till I take my final breath. You just know me, so you're getting me high. I was lonely till you entered my life. Let me tell you how I really feel. Hope I'm with you till the day I die. You just know me, so you're getting me high. You're the only one, so had to go and make you my wife. Let me tell you how I really feel. Know I love you till the day I die.
You just know me, so you're getting me high. I was lonely till you entered my life. Let me tell you how I really feel. Hope I'm with you till the day that I die. You just know me, so you're getting me high. You're the only one I had to go make you my wife. Let me tell you how I roll me, so you're getting me high. I was lonely till you entered my life. Let me tell you how I really feel.
Know I love you till the day I die.
You just know me, so you're getting me high. You're the only one I had to go make you my wife. Let me tell you how I really feel. Know I love you till the day that I die.
That is it. Bounce the track out, sounding sweet, sounding clear, crystal precise. And that's it. How to bounce a track out of Logic Pro. Very, very simple. If you want more advice, got any questions, comment below. If you want to hire me for a record, you like the vocals, you like how it sounded, and maybe you're a rapper or a singer and you need some backing vocals, hit me up in the message or whatever. And also, if you want to feature on a track, I'm here as well. It's your boy 13. Let's go. Let's jump into it. Peace.